Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is my 3-month update on my FUE surgery. So let's get right to it. Hey guys, so there's a trend going around the YouTube hair transplant world about filming and showing how your grafts look out in natural light. So that's what I'm doing today in this video. That's why I'm not in the studio. That's why I'm in my car. In a second, I'll go out there and show you how it looks in natural light. I thought it would be sunlight, but it's kind of cloudy this morning. But you guys will still get a good sense of what it looks like in daytime, all right? First off, there should have been a spectacular view of the whole Silicon Valley behind me, but hey, it's fog, it's Northern California, so we're just gonna deal. All right, so as you guys can tell, it's been a month and the hair has grown in. It looks really nice. I don't know, I got a haircut last week, and after that cut, I felt like $1,000,000. I mean, it really makes a difference when you get your first haircut after your FUE. It was finally long enough. It was getting kind of crazy looking, and I was like, I'm gonna get it cut, and the guy did a good job. I'm gonna zoom in. I'm gonna place the camera down and zoom in to show you guys. All right, I positioned my camera and let's zoom in. So this is the frontal hairline. I brought a comb, a brush. Let me do that. Zoom in. It's growing in really nice. It almost looks like right before I had my second FUE. So I'm basically back to my new baseline, you know? So it's really coming in. I'm very happy so far. And it feels natural. There's no I mean, it's been 3 months and there's no redness. I can't tell any redness. I'm gonna see when I edit this, but it just looks like my natural skin color now. So it looks really nice and natural. So that's really good. Now I'm gonna do the whole side and profile thing. Right, that's how it looks from this side. That's how it's looking from the back. From this side. And finally back to the front. Was that a mountain lion? Or was that a rattlesnake? I don't want to find out. Some of you have asked if it's normal for HMR to require a deposit to set your surgery date in their calendar. And yes, that's totally normal. I paid a deposit. I paid a $500 deposit to set my surgery date. And that deposit is applied to the total cost of the surgery. So it goes towards the total cost. So you're just kind of prepaying tiny part of the surgery up front so that Dr. Cortez knows that you're legit and that you're going to go through with it. Because, you know, otherwise there'd probably be people that would cancel at the last minute and then he's out a whole day's work. So it just makes sense, right? So don't think that that's you know, a scam or anything. It's that's what any smart doctor would do. And finally, I keep getting asked if I take Propecia or finasteride, and the answer is no, I don't take those. Food is my medicine. You know, I live a healthy lifestyle, and that's all I do. I take vitamins, biotin, I eat really healthy, I work out, and I try to live a low-stress life, as hard as that is, because there's a lot of stress, trust me. And lastly, I want to give a shout out to all my subscribers, to you guys, because I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, and that's like a big deal in the YouTube world. So thank you. I'm almost there, and it's thanks to you guys. You guys are actually interested in this hair journey and these other crazy little videos that I make. So thank you for watching, and I'll come out with the next video in a month. My name is Moises Amaya, and I'm out.